Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on battery saver on Poco C65 easily. Okay guys, for those of you who are traveling far and do not bring any charger for your phone and your cell phone battery has left a little bit more, well, you can turn on the battery saver on your phone. Okay, how to do that is quite easy and I will show you how. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone first like this. And then here you can scroll down until you find the menu about battery. And then now you can activate battery saver like this. You can click OK. So yeah, the battery will last longer. And the second way is you can activate Ultra Battery Saver. And this feature will make the battery on your cell phone will be last longer because it almost turns off all existing function except for a few applications that you can choose guys. So yeah, here the few of Ultra Battery Saver, and then if you want to add some application you can click for add like this. And then for example I will add YouTube Music and click done. So you just can use the following application, and if you want to log out you can click log out for Ultra Battery Saver. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on battery saver on Poco C65, and thank you so much for watching guys.